Here are 4 benefits of using auto layout in your user interface design. 1. Consistency. If a UI card contains a product image, title, and price, auto layout can keep these elements aligned and spaced correctly, even if the length of the title changes. 2. Time saving. If you need to add more information to a UI card, you can simply add the new element and let auto layout adjust the spacing and alignment automatically. 3. Flexibility. You can quickly adjust the spacing and alignment of elements within the UI card using auto layout without having to worry about the impact on the overall design. And 4. Scalability. You can use auto layout to create a UI card that can easily adapt to different screen sizes and resolutions, ensuring a consistent user experience across multiple devices and platforms. Overall, Figma Auto Layout offers significant benefits for UI and UX design. It includes a responsive design, ensuring scalability and flexibility with faster iteration.